and welcome to our community. This is a social media style platform where we share our makes, connect with other sewists, and use hashtags to explore patterns and materials. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I'll be sure to link my personal profile down below so you can follow me here if you're interested. I am so glad you're joining us for today's video. In this video, we are looking at the Meat Milk Smooth Drape Tencel Twill fabric. I say it like that because it is stunning. One of my personal favorite fabrics I have ever worked with. It is just so beautiful. But before we get into that, I did just want to mention a couple things. Keep in mind you can use hashtags and go to the listing for this and scroll down to see what others have made using this product, and you can sign up for a Minerva Craft Club account for constant savings. Also, it'd be really great if you could hit the follow button above this video right beside our name. Totally free, it just means we're gonna show up on your feed with all of our videos and posts so you don't miss anything. And if this content is resonating with you, you can like, share, and save it. It's all free and it really helps us out. And as always, leave me any comments and questions you might have down below so I can get back to you. Okay, now on to this fabric. So this is the sand colorway of this Tencel Twill. There's quite a few colorways in this, so I'm sure there will be something that speaks to you as well. I love how soft this is, how drapey it is. It is just like, it's slubby. It has this beautiful twill texture. And if you don't know, a twill weave means that there's a little bit of a diagonal ridges, I guess, running through here if you look closely. So you can see here that it is nice and drapey and fluid and has this smooth, soft hand. It is in the solids, both sides are the same color. It is totally dyed through. It is totally opaque, and it is made from 100% Tencel. Now, what is Tencel? Tencel is a man-made fabric using natural materials. So it's like a rayon, and Tencel is made from the eucalyptus tree. They take the pulp from that and they create fiber with it. Tencel is the trademark name for lyocell. They're basically the same thing. Tencel is just the brand, you know, like Kleenex is the brand for tissue paper. Tencel has some really great sustainability points to it. Number one, it uses less energy and water to make than traditional cotton. So it's extra sustainable. Tencel itself is also 100% biodegradable. And using eucalyptus means that they're using a sustainable source that they can reproduce quickly rather than some other options that take longer to grow. And And the Tencel brand is probably the highest standard of sustainability in terms of lyocell. They have a closed loop system where they hardly lose any chemicals in their process. Tencel is also traditionally pure white when it's made, so there's no need to bleach it if you want a white Tencel garment. And if you want it dyed, it actually takes less dyes than cotton or something like that. So it's again using less resources to make. And this Tencel Twill fabric is Oeko-Tex certified. I would say it's a mid-weight fabric. It's great for skirts, dresses, pants, shirts, pretty much anything, a blanket, just wrap it around yourself. It is so good. It is so good. So I hope my love affair with this Tencel Twill fabric was entertaining for you to watch and gave you a little bit of inspiration if you have some sitting in your stash, or just so you can see what it looks like when you're working with it. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, saving, commenting, following us, and being part of this community. I cannot wait to see what you create. Happy making!